Hello everybody, we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. We are showing you guys how to start and get into your vehicle if the battery is dead on your remote. So right now you're pressing, nothing happens. First of all, you can slide out the key right here. You move that tab over and pull the emergency key out. Okay? The emergency key obviously goes into the door lock and unlocks it. As you can see, you're in the vehicle. Okay, so now we're gonna put the fob, the key back into the fob, and we are going to get in. And as you can see, when you press it here, it'll say no key detected. Okay, simply open the glove box. There's a slot right there. Stick the key in with the emergency key all the way in like that. Put your foot on the brake and start the car, okay? Mitsubishi Outlander, this is how you start the vehicle. The slot is right there. Thanks for watching, guys.